In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. Adding pages is essential for building a professional store. It's how you create things like an about page, a contact page, or a shipping and returns page. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, customers, and of course, your online store content. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the navigation menu. Find and click on Online Store. This section controls what your customers see on the front end of your website, including themes, navigation, blog posts, and pages. When you click Online Store, a submenu will expand just underneath. In that expanded submenu, click on Pages. This is where all of your existing pages are listed. If you've never created a page before, this list may be empty, and that's completely fine. You'll see options to filter and search pages, which can be helpful later as your store grows. Now, to create a new page, look for the Add Page button, usually located near the top right of the Pages screen, and click on it. This opens the Page Editor, where you'll set up everything for your new page. At the top of the editor, you'll see a title field. Click into that field and type the name of your page. Keep the title clear and descriptive, because it usually becomes the page heading that customers see, and it can also affect your search engine visibility. For example, use About Us instead of something vague. Next, click into the main content field below the title. This is where you add the actual content of your page. You can type text, format headings, and often add images or links, depending on your theme and Shopify's editor options. Take a moment to write clear, helpful content that matches the purpose of the page. When you're happy with the title and content, scroll if needed and click on a save. This step is crucial. Your changes won't go live until you save. Shopify will confirm that your page has been created. If you're editing any related navigation or menu settings afterward, remember to click Save there as well so that your new page is properly added to your store's menus and is visible